GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMO. Manufactured to GMO specification for fit, form, and function. Country of origin: United States. GM Genuine Parts Engine Valve Lifter Guide are designed, engineered, and tested to rigorous standards, and are backed by General Motors. GM Genuine Parts are the true OE parts installed during the production of or validated by General Motors for GM vehicles. Some GM Genuine Parts may have formerly appeared as ACDelco GM Original Equipment (OE). Top reviews from the United States. Great timing and exact ohm. Had trouble finding these lifter guides through several resources. Finally took a shot here and I am grateful I found these exact ohm guides. Not only did I get the right ones, the lifters fit perfect, nice and snug, and they came quickly. Look forward to doing more business here. Thank you so much.